Here we have created customer class and thereby created a customer table, and we have entered various customers through admin panel. So we have also seen how to create admin panel and how to access or how to create various customers, how to add various customers into the admin panel. So in this video, let us create few more tables by writing respective classes for them. So I would like to write a class for product. So class product, and it inherits from models.model, and it ends with colon. So we also need to, we similar to what we have done earlier, so we would like to have names as one of the attribute, and various other things like price and category. So let me write that. So I would also like to have price, and prices are usually float fields, floating point values, and you could use it. And later I would like to also create a category which makes each product to go into one of the categories. But before that, we need to give the category tuple. So let me write a category tuple here. So let me have here two categories. One is indoor category, and the other is outdoor. So put a comma here, and outdoor category. So these are the two categories. Now in order to give that choice of choosing what category each product belongs to, you have the option of choices in any attribute, and you can mention the category. So that's how it is. And later you could also mention various tags, but that we will see it little later. So earlier, just like how we have done earlier, in order to properly display the name, you need to also give this method inside this class. So let's give the similar method here. So if you want to make it faster, maybe we can copy it and paste it. So just paste it under this class. So def double underscore str double underscore self as default argument, and we are returning self dot name. So we have completed this. So let us see what happens in the thing. Before we go there, we need to also add these in product. Also we have already done this, so this is not needed. We haven't done this. So admin dot site dot register product, so we have included this here. So and also we have mentioned the class. So let us save these files, both the files, and now let us make migrations. So you can use the arrow keys to search for the right command. So if it is not available, you can check the folder, and you can make python manage.py make migrations. So we are not in the virtual environment. So first let us enter into the virtual environment. So let us come back a step and enter into the virtual environment. So source my env bin activate. So this is the command in Mac. In Windows we have already seen in the previous videos what is the right command for it. So activate. So we entered into the virtual environment, as you can see here. Now let us go back one step forward. So go enter into the project, and now run python manage.py make migrations. Spelling mistake. So manage.py. So it says that, so once again we have a spelling mistake here, float field, so float. So let's save this and rerun this, make migrations. So as you can see, there are migrations happen. So this is the new thing which has been added, make migrations. After make migrations, so product model and its related attributes have been added here. So later, so you can also migrate, manage.py migrate. So migrations has happened, and now we can run the server. Python manage.py run server. So you can click on the link and you can go and check. So this is the thing, and you go to the admin panel by clicking /admin. So here you can see products, you can add product, you can give the name of the products. So you can mention anything as the name of the product, suppose like some item, say some soap as one of the product, say 100 rupees, say it is indoor, save it. And you can have some sports items like ball, say some 1000 rupees, and this is outdoor. So, and also some food items like pasta, 200, and indoor you can save it. So what we have essentially done is we created a table, but you have a category to choose which category this belongs to. Okay, so we can see all the products. So these are the products which we have: pasta. So and so let's, you can click on the products. So these are the things you can do, various actions. You can even delete few products. So if you select this one of these items, say if I select soap, and I can proceed go, so it will take, yes I'm sure, so it deleted the products. So in this way you can add the products, delete the products, similar to how we have done for customers. So once we have done this, so let's now go back to our models. So here we would like to have uh, a we have categories, but we also like to have various tags, and this is a relationship which we would like to create here. But basically what we would like to do in this whole project is to create a dashboard kind of a thing, where how customers are ordering, and how many orders have been placed, how many products are there in their database, how many products have been ordered, how many times each product has been ordered. So in this way we would like to create a dashboard for each individual customer, and would like to show it and make it interactive. So in order to do that, we have created two classes. One is customer and the other is product, but we should also have an order class, so that it creates a link between the customer and the product. So customer ordering a product. So in order to do that, we should access both the tables which we created, customer and the product, inside the order class, and uh, also see how we can create various orders. So before we do that, there are a few more things which we need to do, related to, before we create the orders class, we need to add few more things related to tags. So as we all know, a product can belong to different tags. So different tags in the sense, like a ball can belongs to a sports tag. A few things can belong to multiple tags. For example, like if I add ball and also a chair, maybe chair might have multiple use cases. So in outdoor, indoor, and whether it's a sports, or whether it is some tag which is relevant inside, we can use it for multiple purposes. So what I am trying to say is there is a many to many relationship between the products and the tags. So we would like to create that inside the product class. So for that, first let us create a class called as tags, and add the many to many relation between products and the tags. So class models dot model, we are inheriting from models dot model, and we are just returning the same, the self dot name. So once we did this, so let's now add a many to many relation in the tags. So there is a many to many relation between the products and the tags. So a product can belong to multiple tags. So I can have any tag, and therefore it is important to mention that in the product class. So tags is equal to models dot many to many field of tag class. So this will establish a many to many relation between the tags and products. So let us now okay, there is some mistake here. Let us try to resolve it. So line number 15. Yeah, so what we did is a functions as written, classes never have a written statement. So we should have written this. So first we should give a name and then return. So name is equal to, we can just copy this line, whatever we write usually for names, under tags also, and do the same, return self dot name. So you can remove this and you can place this, you can save it. So yeah, many to many field, and we have added it. So that's what we would like to do here, and let's see what are the changes we have. So so we also have one more error, module Django has no attribute many to many fields. So let's correct if there is any error here. So many to many models dot many T capital many to many field of tag class. So we have tag class and we are accessing that here. So now, so we have done that. So before we do further any changes, let's once again migrate, make migrations. So a new tags migrations has happened. You can see here a new file has been created, and also migrate. So once again migrations has happened, and now run server. So once we run the server and go to the link, so and access the admin page, so now we have various products, but now we also, so when you click on add product, you can see various tags, but we don't have any tags as of now. So let us we need to add tags before we access it. So let us see how we can add tags. So these tags are not visible here because we did not place it in the models. So not models, but in the admin. So let us place that in here. So give the class name, which is tag, save it once again, and then go back and just refresh it. So now you can see tags. So add few tags, something like sports tag, save it, and another tag, say interior tag, okay, and kitchen tag. Okay, so we have added few tags here. Now we have various products, so you can edit the products and say which one it belongs to, interior and kitchen, and you can save it. pasta, you can say ball, it belongs to outdoor, and maybe people also play with not interior but just a sport. So it's a many to many relation. So it need not be, it can take any number of a particular product can be related to any number of tags. And so that's how we have. So in the, let's add one more product here, maybe a chair. So I'll call it some price and make it indoor. It can be used in sports and also in interior and maybe also in kitchen. I don't know whether we use it in kitchen. Okay, let's save it. So now we have three products. So we have added products along with the tags. So in total we have added customer table, products table, and we created tags, and we have assigned to each product to a tag. So in the next video what we are going to do is access these products and render it into various HTML pages and see the output.